In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.1, question number 4, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Prove the following rules of addition. That is, first, A divided C plus B divided C is equal to A plus B divided by C. Taking left hand side, equal to A divided C plus B divided by C. So A dot 1 divide C plus B dot 1 divide C. So taking common 1 divide C into A plus B into 1 divided by C, that is distributive property. So A plus C divided by 2 right hand side, so A plus B divided by C is equal to right hand side. Next part number 2, that is A divided B plus C divided by D is equal to AD plus BC divided by BD. So taking left hand side, that is A divide B plus C divided by D. So A divide B dot 1 plus C divided by D dot 1, that is the 1 is the multiplicative identity. So multiplicative identity can also be applied in the form of D dot 1 divided by D. Next, B dot 1 divided by B. So A divided by B dot D divided by D plus C divided by D dot B divided by B. So next, A D divided by B D plus C B divided by B D. So taking common 1 divided by BD. So AD dot 1 divided by BD plus BC dot 1 divided by BD. So taking common 1 divided by BD. So AD plus BC into 1 divided by BD, that is the distributive property. So next, AD plus BC divided by BD, that is equal to right hand side, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture.